Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 4, working on the text and settings in MS Word. In this video we are going to study about copy formatting, superscript, subscript, finding text and etc. So let's begin. MS Word. MS Word is a powerful word processor in which we can create good documents with better and professional look. Do you know, children, how you will copy formatting to another selection? No. Now let us know the steps to copy formatting to another selection using Format Painter. Step 1. If you want to copy text formatting, select a portion of a paragraph. Suppose we have selected this line. Step 2. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click Format Painter. The pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. This is the Home tab. You have to click on this Home tab first. This part is called the Clipboard. You have to click on this Format Painter. When you click on Format Painter, the pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Step 3. Select the text or graphic that you want to format. जिस text को आपको format करना है, you have to select that text. Suppose in this picture we have selected this text. In this way we can copy formatting to another selection using Format Painter. Now let us know about subscript and superscript. Superscript and subscript refer to numbers that are positioned slightly higher or slightly lower than the text on the line. For example, H2O. In this figure, 2 is written slightly lower than the text on the line, and this is the example of subscript. In this picture, this is the example of superscript. This text is written slightly higher than the text on the line. Now let us know the steps how you will apply subscript and superscript. Step 1. Select the text that you want to format as superscript or subscript. Step 1. Select the text that you want to format as superscript or subscript. In this figure here 2 is selected. Step 2. Now you have to do one of the following. If you want to apply superscript, you have to click on Home tab. This is the Home tab. First you click on Home tab, and this is the symbol of superscript. You have to click on this superscript. If you want to apply subscript, click on Home tab. This is your Home tab, and you have to click on subscript option. This is the subscript option. In this way you can apply superscript and subscript option to your text. Now let us know the keyboard shortcut keys. The keyboard shortcut key for superscript is Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to, and the keyboard shortcut for subscript Ctrl plus equals to. Now let us know about the finding text. Sometimes you have to search for a particular word or a phrase in your long documents. You can quickly search a specific word or a phrase with the help of Find option. Now let us know the steps how you will apply a Find option to your document. Step 1. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click Find. This is the Home tab. Click on Home tab first. Then a subtool will be appear. From that, this is the Editing group. Click on this editing. Click on the Editing group. Then from the Editing group, you have to select. You have to click on Find option. You have to click on this Find option. When you will click on Find option, The navigation pane appears on the screen. In the search document box, type the text that you want to find. This is the navigation pane. In the navigation pane, here you have to type the text that you want to find in your document. Now click a result to see it in your document. You have to click on result option to see it in your document. This is the result option. Click on this result. In this way you can find your text in your document. Now let us know about find and replace text. Step 1. If you want to find and replace any text in your document, follow the given steps. Step 1. On the home tab in the editing group, click replace option. This is the home tab. Click on the home tab. In the editing group, click on the find and replace option. Step 2. In the find word box, type the text that you want to search for and replace. This is the find and replace dialog box. And this is the find word text box. Here you have to type the word that you want to search in your document. And this is the replace with. Here you have to write the word that you want to replace with the find word text box. Now click find next and do one of the following. Now you have to click on this find next option. First, if you want to replace the highlighted text, then you will click on replace option. This is the replace option. Click on this replace option. If you want to replace all instances of the text in your document, click replace all. This is the replace all button. You have to click on this replace all button. If you want to skip the instances of the text and proceed to the next instance, you have to click on that find next. This is the find next button. Click on this find next button. In this way you can find and replace text in your document. Now let us know the keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcut for find is Ctrl+F and the keyboard shortcut for replacing text is Ctrl+H. Now let us know how to add a page number from the gallery in your document. Step 1. On the insert tab in the header and footer group, click page number. This is the insert tab. First you have to click on this insert tab. Then in the header and footer group, this is the header and footer group. You have to click on this header and footer group. And now you click on this page number option. Now click the page number location that you want. In the gallery, scroll through the option and then click the page number format that you want. This is the page number format. Click on this page number format. Step 2. If you want to return to the body of your document, click close header and footer on the design tab under a header and footer tool. This is the design tab. You have to click on the design tab, and this is the header and footer tool. You have to click on this close header and footer tool to close the header and footer. Now let us know how to remove page numbers, headers and footers in your document. Step 1. Double click on header, footer or a page number. First you have to click on this insert tab and double click on header footer. This is the header and footer part. Click on this header and footer or a page number. This is the page number. You have to click on this page number also. Step 2. Select the header, footer or a page number. You have to select the header, footer and page number. Step 3. Now after selecting the page number, you have to press the delete key from your keyboard. In this way, we can remove page number or header footers from your document. Repeat step 1, 2, 3 in each section that has a different header, footer or a page number. That's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.